Forgot something? Let's add it to your existing Temu order if it's not saved yet. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top right. Tap on your orders. Find the recent order you want to add to. If it's still processing, not saved, you may see the Add Items or Modify Order option. Tap that and browse for the item you want to add. Once you have selected, just tap Add to Order and confirm payment. If the order is too far along in processing, you might not be able to modify it. In that case, you'll need to place a separate order. The sooner you add after ordering, the more likely you can add to it. Have you tried this before? Let me know how it went. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.